Everybody here has the exact same problem and they're all different. Let me say that again. Everybody here has the exact same problem and they're all different. Anybody like me to go a little deeper on that? Beg me in the chat. I love to be begged. Come on, say, give it to me, mama. 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 But yeah, you all have the exact same problem and they're all different. All right, Pat, this is for you. I saw her first. Pat and Karen. There's only 3 ways to make more money or get more clients. You ready for your pen and paper? Only 3 ways. You increase your rates. You increase your volume, or you increase frequency. Let me say them again. You either increase your rates, or you increase your volume, or you increase your frequency. So that is this, all of you have the exact same problem. You either need to increase your rates, increase your volume, or increase your frequency. For some of you, it's all 3 of those. And for some of you, maybe it's just one of those. And some of you could say, yeah, but Suzanne, in the chat, I put that, I'm really having a problem of confidence issue. Well, that's an increasing your rate issue and an increasing your volume issue. So they all fall into those 3 categories, right? And we'll talk more about that in just a few minutes.